Hey friends, happy Sunday. Today we're going to do another Aldi shopping haul and then a couple things I picked up from BJ's this week. Just a couple. So I'm going to show you everything that I picked up and then also give you the ideas of what I will be making throughout the week. I do need to go to Giant or Walmart one time this week to pick up a couple other things that I wasn't able to pick up at Aldi's or BJ's. But for the most part, I grabbed everything that I could, and we're just gonna go through everything. And I also have now the smart points per each item because I am doing Weight Watchers, and that is something I'll talk about more later. And I am finding that it's easier to just write everything on the package once I bring it in, so that way I don't have to constantly be scanning it or looking it up. So we're just gonna go through everything and we will see what I picked up. Alright, let's go. So I picked up some lemons and I will use this for part of a marinade for some chicken that I picked up. This did come from BJ's because we got to Aldi's a little bit later and they did have chicken on sale, but it was completely cleared out. So we just picked this up from BJ's instead. Then I'm not going to tell you the prices of everything, but I kind of wrote a couple down here and there. So I believe these were on sale this week. These are just the little cuties, and they were $2.49 for this big old bag. And we all love these for lunches and snacks. If you can hear that, that is my clock in the background, so sorry about that. But we picked up some bell peppers for fajitas for one night this week, and then also the meat for the fajitas as well. Then I picked up some celery to go with some like mock tuna crab cakes that we make that we really like, and I'll just cut some of that up for that, and then also for snacks as well. Some romaine for salads, we always go for that. Then I got some of, this stuff of course is all like the 0 smart points, except for this was, I have it written down, let's see, 7 smart points for 4 ounces for the Black Angus top sirloin steak. And then we got some of the regular Countryside Creamery butter, and that is 4 smart points per 1 tablespoon. Baby Bellas were on sale as also this week, so they were 99 cents a piece. And what am I using them for? Oh, a recipe from the Weight Watchers website that I want to try. These are Frank's. He picked these out. He likes these yogurts. They are just a light strawberry banana, and they are 3 smart points per container. And then we had some tomatoes on the vine. They were on sale. I got 2 things of strawberries because they were on sale also. They were $1.29 per container, and they look really, really good. So we got some of those. Then we picked up some almond milk. So this is the regular unsweetened original, and that is 1 smart point per 8 ounces, and those are really good for smoothies and for whatever else we're going to do with it for during the week. BJ's had this as well. We've been using this bread and we really like it. And it's 2 smart points per 2 slices. So this is the Sara Lee Delightful bread, and it's really, really good. And yeah, BJ's had it, so I was excited to find that. And then we also picked up some grape tomatoes for salads. Frank picked these out. I won't eat these, but he and Dominic will. They are the chocolate chip granola bars, and then also the peanut butter chocolate chip granola bars, and they are 4 smart points per 1 bar. We got some bananas because we like bananas. These flour tortillas, I was actually surprised that they were not more, but they are 3 smart points per 1, and I just picked these up for the fajitas. I'm going to go around the table because I'm kind of leaning over at this point. And then from BJ's, I picked up, they had a coupon in the book for the light Baby Bell cheeses. And they are 1 smart point, I don't know what that is, smart M. 1 smart point per 1 Baby Bell. This is not food, obviously, but I needed to get batteries. They had a coupon, so I picked those up. Dominic threw these in the basket, but I wanted to put the points on there just to make a point to how much they were. So one honey bun is 9 smart points, so I will not be eating any of them. Then as well as the French toast sticks, he picked those out also, and these are 11 smart points per 5 sticks. So pretty heavy there. And then the last couple things that I got, which I've never tried these, but they looked really good, were these seasoned pulled chicken with barbecue sauce. This was $3.99, and this is 7 smart points per 5 ounces. So just have a little bit of that and try that. And then also they had a hardwood smoked sliced beef brisket with barbecue sauce, and those were $6.99, and they are 16 smart points per 5 ounces. So that's pretty high, but I'm sure Frank will really enjoy them. And this I was super excited to get. So this is the Lesser Evil Buddha Bowl Foods Himalayan Pink. It looks like organic popcorn, and these are 4 smart points per 3 cups. So that's a hefty helping, so I'm really excited to try those, and I hope it's yummy. And that is it for this week. So if you guys have any questions about anything that I picked up or the prices, if you're not familiar with all these, just let me know in the comments down below. And I will see you guys next week with another video follow-up to a cook with me. And I will link the ones that I did before up above in the cards if you want to check them out. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you soon. Bye! And I forgot to tell you guys the total for the 2 slips. So Aldi's was $57.66 and BJ's was $36.50. So I kind of rounded it to $93. So not bad because I got the batteries and the meat and everything. So that was the total for this week's groceries.